Hi guys, welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you know, in our last tutorial, we had implemented multiple reducers for each shopkeeper in our cake shop where we had embedded an ice cream inside our shop as well. Last time we had discussed that in our cake shop, we want to sell an ice cream as well. So we had created multiple reducers. In today's tutorial, we will be combining those two reducers for our store or Redux store. How we can do that? Keep it in mind, Redux library provide you a combined reducer method. With the help of that, we can combine all the reducers as much as we have. So how we can use that is we have to first of all create combine reducers equals to redux dot combine reducers. This is the function available inside a Redux library that we can use to combine our reducers. How we can combine that? Before creating a state, we can use this function to create a root reducer or root state or whatever you will keep it as a name. It's up to you. You root reducer, and what you have to do here is you have to create what? Combine reducer you will be calling, and you will be passing inside it an object. What that object will contain your reducers with keys, whatever the keys you want to represent those. For example, in terms of cake, I want to save that reducer as cake. So you can say cake reducer. Similarly, in terms of ice cream, I want to save that reducer with ice cream name. So I will keep it in this way. You can pass reducers in the form of object to your combined reducer method that is imported from Redux library, and that reducer will go, root reducer will go as parameter to your store. It will allow you to combine your reducers. How we can see it now? Sudo npm start, and let's see it will work or no. You guys can see we had purchased 3 times cake, 1, 1, 2 and 3. So here we had initial state number of cakes 10, ice cream 20, then cake comes down to 9, 8 and 7. After that your cake returns same 7, 7, but last 2 times your ice cream will turn down to 18. So this is how you can combine your reducers. In terms of very large scale application or big applications where you have a lot of things to sell, for example, if you will consider the same example, you have thousands of items inside the bakery to sell or cake shop to sell. You can create a lot of different files with separate reducers, and you can combine all of these reducers on top of your store creation and pass them in creation of store in a single object. That will allow you to manage your each reducer in separate file, and you can keep track of each state and reducer very easily. Keep it in mind, before you are accessing the state, you can access the state directly get state dot number of cake. But this time, after using the combined reducer method, you have to call get state method. For example, I'll say like this: if I want to just print out number of cakes, how I can print out? Initial state of cake is get state dot cake dot number of cakes. Like this you have to print. Let's see, you can see number of cake 10. This is the way to access the store. Now access the state. Now first of all you will call get state method. After that you have to call that key that you are passing to that specific reducer that you want to achieve in the state. I hope you guys understand it. In case of any question, any query, you can comment us. You can reach us in our mailbox as well. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Goodbye.